Good day, everyone. My name is Dan Kirby Hunsay, and I'm here to report about cultural globalization in the contemporary world. Why culture matters in globalization? Cultural globalization in the contemporary world. Cultural plays a pivotal role in globalization because it shapes our identities, values, and daily lives, driving innovation, understanding, and occasionally conflict in an interconnected era. That it means that globalization in our culture as a rule that shapes our identities, values, and daily lives. That, for example, it shapes our culture, how we interact with our society. Next is understanding globalization today. Globalization extends far beyond economics and politics, encompassing trade, markets, and international agreements on one hand, but also the soft cultural influences that touch hearts and minds on the other. Culture serves as a vital bridge, connecting societies through shared experience and fostering empathy and collaboration in an increasingly diverse world. Um, in my understanding, that nowadays in our economy have cultural influences about us that the society have experienced a lot of problems like politics, marketing, and so on. Defining cultural globalization. Cultural globalization refers to the worldwide spread and blending of ideas, values, and lifestyles, where adaptation leads to hybrid forms that mix global and local elements. Means that the cultural globalization in our economy in our world have an blending of ideas, values, and lifestyles that adapt the mixed global and local elements and involves putyas about sa atong traditions and history. Contemporary drivers of cultural globalization. In today's world, technology and social media platforms enable instant sharing through apps like TikTok and Instagram, allowing viral trends to spread globally in moments. Um, Nowadays, ang technology is useful, um, ginagamit niya through social media platforms and via sharing through apps like TikTok and Instagram and gaalaw ang mga example ta nga we post videos, ginaagi na to siya about sa posting about through apps like TikTok and Instagram, and it easily to spread globally and internationally because of the use of social media, because kay advance naman ta karon and dali ra sad paghimo sa mga contents via apps and the use of satellites. Features in the cultural sphere. Cultural globalization manifests in the worldwide popularity of films, music, sports, and fashion, such as the Oscars drawing millions of viewers of the FIFA World Cup, Unity, billions through soccer. Language, particularly English, with its 1.5 billion speakers, spread as a lingua franca for business and pop culture. Digital media facilitates cross-cultural exchange via memes, podcasts, and online collaboration. It means that nowadays, dali ra na to ma-spread ang films, music, sports, and fashions through social media with the use of social media and kinds of digital media. And dali ra pod ta maka kuan through language. We understand it easily with online collaborations. Media and pop culture. Hollywood, K-pop, and Bollywood exert profound global influences, with Hollywood blockbusters like Marvel films grossing billions worldwide, K-pop groups like BTS amassing over 70 billion fans, and Bollywood shaping dance and romance tropes internationally. Streaming services such as Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube have amplified this reach, serving over 500 million Netflix subscribers and using algorithms to recommend cross-cultural content. Media as nowadays kay dali ra pud ta maka-watch about aning mga Hollywood movies and events internationally. And about sa streaming, napod sila Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube and over 500 million users and or subscribers in Netflix. Isa ni siya ka pamaagi nga nagpakita nga ang atong cross-cultural is ga-spread gid siya globally. Food and lifestyle globalization. Global restaurant chains like McDonald's and Starbucks have proliferated with over 39,000 McDonald's locations in more than 100 countries, featuring adapted menus such as the McAloo Tiki in India. This trend extends to fusion cuisines and international food cultures, including innovations like Tex-Mex or sushi burritos, celebrate at food festivals around the world. Um, Pareha sa restaurant nga McDo, gaspread siya globally through globalization and kinds of offers and menus they offer. That's all. Education and language exchange. International students mobility has surged with more than 6 million students studying abroad each year according to UNESCO data. English dominates as the lingua franca in academia, technology and diplomacy. Cross-border knowledge sharing thrives through online platforms like Coursera, offering courses from top universities to learners globally. Through globalization, ang education and language have helpful to students studying abroad each year according to UNESCO or the um, UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization data. Opportunities and cultural globalization enhances awareness and appreciation, reducing stereotypes and promoting tolerance among diverse groups. It provides access to global ideas and trends, sparking innovation through diverse inputs like international design influences. Ultimately, it strengthens multiculturalism, as seen in vibrant, inclusive cities such as Toronto or London. Benefits for developing countries. For developing countries, cultural globalization promotes local cultures on the international stage, just as African musics gaining visibility on Spotify. It boosts economies through tourism and cultural industries, which from a $1.7 trillion sector pre-COVID, including crafts and festivals, exchange programs and cultural diplomacy like Fulbright scholarships or Indians yoga initiatives, further enhance soft power and global kini siya for example ang globalization is nagapromote siya og local cultures like ilang pag-promote sa African music nga ila nang givisible on Spotify and ga-enhance siya sa mga soft power and global ties like in India's yoga initiatives. Next is challenges and homogenization. One major challenge is the loss of indigenous traditions and languages, with UNESCO. estimating that 40% of languages are endangered as global media overshadows them. Westernization further risks homogenizing non-Western societies, a phenomenon termed McDonaldization, where uniform lifestyles erode cultural uniqueness. Means that ang UNESCO na-estimate nila ang 40% of language are endangered siya because kadaghan sang nagsagol-sagol ng mga traditions, mawala ng mga pagtuo nato tungod sa halo-halo nga mga societies, ng mga phenomenon, for examples, like that, phenomenons. Challenges and risk identity. Youth often experience cultural identity crisis, navigating tensions as global trends between influence like K-pop and family traditions. This creates broader conflicts between global and local values, such as debates over dress codes or holidays in multicultural environments. Nowadays, ang atong mga kabataan, experience sila or dili ba ka sila manavigate or ang ilang identity is challenging because of their family traditions, for examples, and muni siya ang hinungdan nganong naay siya'y gitawag natong broader conflicts between global and local values. Case study: The rise of K-pop. The rise of K-pop illustrates cultural evolution through the global spread of Korean music and entertainment, evolving from a niche genre to mainstream success with acts like BTS performing at the UN and selling out world tours. This Hallyu wave serves as cultural diplomacy, contributing over $12 billion to South Korea's economy while promoting Korean food and language international. That in the previous about challenges and risks, now we have the case study that the K-pop have spread globally through social media and with Korean music entertainment, and the Korean have promoting their food and languages internationally. Case study: Fast food cultures. The spread of global food chains like McDonald's now in 119 countries symbolize Western convenience and has reshaped eating habits worldwide. However, it brings health and lifestyle consequences. Global rise in obesity like to fast food consumption and steps away from traditional diets. That means is the fast food culture like McDonald's are now in 119 countries. Nagka-symbolize and ga-reshape siya sa eating habits worldwide. But it brings health and lifestyle consequences that globally, 13% globally rise the consumption and steps away from their traditional diets. Cultural globalization and the future. Looking forward, digital culture and virtual communities will expand through metaverses that blend cultures in immersive ways. AI will transform cultural production in music, arts, and films, enabling global collaboration like AI-generated K-pop. With this, efforts preserve local traditions such as UNESCO heritage sites and hybrid models will be essential to maintain diversity. And now, or in the future, nowadays, ang digital and virtual communities is ga-expand siya globally with cultures in immersive ways. Ang AI will transform cultural production in music, arts, and films. Means, pwede siya mag-collaborate like AI-generated K-pop. AI na siya through kay advanced na gito advanced. Thank you for listening to my report. I hope you understand. And the quote of the day is don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going by Sam Levinson. And thank you.